StakeDAO DeFi Platform Review, My Usage Experience. StakeDAO is a versatile DeFi platform designed for crypto enthusiasts looking to maximize their assets through staking, yield strategies, and governance participation. It caters to both newcomers and experienced users in the decentralized finance space, offering intuitive tools for earning passive income while maintaining control of your funds. The platform supports a wide range of assets and protocols, making it a hub for diversifying your DeFi investments. One of StakeDAO's standout features is its integration with multiple blockchain ecosystems, allowing you to access cross-chain opportunities seamlessly. The staking options are robust, with high APYs across various tokens, and the automated yield strategies simplify complex DeFi processes. Instead of juggling multiple platforms, StakeDAO consolidates your earning potential into one user-friendly interface. For those interested in governance, StakeDAO empowers users with DAO voting rights, providing a voice in shaping the platform's future. In my experience, the platform's dashboard is clean and intuitive, perfect for tracking your portfolio performance in real time. Setting up was straightforward, thanks to its compatibility with popular wallets like MetaMask and Ledger. Depositing funds and deploying them into staking pools or yield strategies required only a few clicks, and I appreciated the transparency of fees, which are competitive compared to similar platforms. Security is a priority at StakeDAO. The platform employs audited smart contracts and collaborates with reputed security partners, which gave me peace of mind during my usage. The community and support resources are also worth noting. I found the documentation thorough and the team responsive to queries on their Discord channel. One minor drawback is that some yield strategies may require a deeper understanding of DeFi mechanics to fully appreciate their risks and rewards. However, StakeDAO compensates for this with detailed guides and an active community ready to assist. Overall, StakeDAO delivers a comprehensive DeFi experience, merging accessibility, security, and profitability. Whether you're a passive investor looking for reliable staking options or an active DeFi participant seeking cutting-edge strategies, StakeDAO is a platform worth considering. My usage experience has been seamless, with rewarding outcomes, and I recommend it to anyone aiming to elevate their DeFi journey.